Hey everyone! So today I have a grayscale portrait coloring book by Jennifer Zimmerman. It's called Magical Maidens. Now she is on Etsy, so I will leave a link in the description below to her Etsy store. But she finally released a book, coloring book, I should say. She has books on Amazon as well for like how to color, but this is a coloring book. So I thought that was pretty cool. And I bought it nervously because I was like, ooh, is it going to be Create Space paper or the nicer paper? And it's the nicer paper. It's still the Amazon paper, but it's the nicer upgraded Amazon paper. Like that you get from Christine Caron and like the Color & Chicks ones. So let's take a look. She's got all her info here too. I need to find... So here's the books that I was talking about. The Secrets of Coloring, Volume 1 and 2. I'm going to look up the other two, though. Glamourista? All right, so here's the Belongs To page. Very pretty. Right, she even says, use a blotter page, and they are single-sided, which is great in case you want to do a marker base or whatever. You don't have to worry about that. Now, the grayscale is kind of heavy on this skin here. Can you see all the sketching lines? I personally would go in and probably erase them with an electric eraser if they're too sketchy like that. Ooh, that's pretty. And it looks like the name of them are on the back page. But I will leave a link in the description below to this book and her Etsy, because I have purchased a few of her Etsy images. In fact, you will see one of her Etsy images colored in my January pages. I love that hair. Oh my gosh. I want to color it now. Oh, that's pretty too. That's adorable. This would be good for fall. Yes, it would. I like that. Now, when you buy her images online, some of them you have the option, like it gives multiple versions with and without these frames. So just a little fact. Yeah, like right here, I would definitely probably erase some of this. That's just a little too much because it reacts weird with my Prismas. That's pretty. That'd be fun for winter. Oh, look at that one in the hair. You guys know I love to color hair. And that's a lot of luscious hair to color. Oh, so is that one. Look at that one. Ooh. What's funny is I love to color hair, but I can't draw it to save my life. Isn't that odd? Oh, that's a good one for Christmas. Oh, look at the little frog. I just now noticed that. Ooh, perfect for Mermaid. Mermaid's never too far away. Oh, I like that one. That's gorgeous. She's very talented. Her books teaching you how to color are just wow. I like that one a lot. The only bummer is like it's kind of an awkward angle with the spine. I almost wish it was flopped the other way, but ooh, more hair. I like the framing of this one. What is that, kelp? That's kelp, yeah. I grew up in California. I should know that. That is so cute. Look at the little jellyfish. She is so talented. Tons of mermaids in here, so if you're planning on doing mermaid, then here you go. Oh my gosh, the hair on this one too, just so flowy. Ugh. Oh, this is beautiful. I like that one. Look at that background. Oh, that's gorgeous too. And the hair, of course the hair. But I love these dragonflies. You could just do a bunch of sparklies around them. Oh, luscious. Okay, that is super cool. I like that. The tiger lily or stargazer lily. The steampunk one. That popped up on her Etsy not too long ago. Look at that one. Something's funky with the printing on the hair for this one. And that is the end. So on the back it shows all of your magical maidens. This is 25 plus 1 grayscale illustrations, but yes, that is available on Amazon now. I was super nervous, like I said, because I was afraid it was going to be a Create Space paper, but at least she did upgrade to that paper that you are used to if you buy Christine Caron and Color and Chicks or Daria Sakasoy, those ones. So it's softer, but it's still thin, but it doesn't have that printer paper feel. So yeah, let me know if you guys bought this or if there's a color along you would like to see with any of the images in here. You know I'm down to color a portrait any day of the week. So I would love to hear from you guys on that. But yeah, this is a really good one and it was really affordable. So, and that's why I was worried it was Create Space. I'm like, oh, that's a cheap price. This could be Create Space paper, but it wasn't. So thank you everyone for hanging out with me, and until next time, take care. Bye now.